everyone, welcome to my channel. In this Photoshop tutorial, we are going to over one of the most fundamental tool in Photoshop, the Move tool. Whether you knew the Photoshop or just need a refresher, in this tool is essential for moving, aligning, and organizing your design elements. Let us dive in it. To get started, you will find a Move tool right here at the top of the toolbar. You can also press the shortcut key V to activate instantly. Now when you select it to the Move tool, you can start moving anywhere in the layer in your document. Simply drag the object where you want it. If you want to keep in a straight line, hold the shift key and moving it. You can also move the selection. For example, you made a selection with the marquee tool. I can switch to the move tool to reposition however I like it. One of the coolest views here is auto selection. Let us click the directly of any object and move it without having find in the layer panel. You can enable the option here in the top of toolbar. And don't forget the free transform option. If you press Ctrl T or Command T on a Mac, you can scale and rotate, even wrap the object holding Shift key. Will keep your proportions in a click while resizing. So that is the basic Move tool. It is a simple but foundation of creation well organized design in a Photoshop. Let me know if you found any tutorial help by leaving a comment below. Don't forget like and share, subscribe for a more Photoshop tips and tricks. Thank you.